Shayla's International Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple, easy and delicious Korean street toast sandwich with ingredients you probably already have in your fridge. Let's start. I've already cleaned my cabbage. I'm going to slice it thinly. For 2 sandwiches, I'm using 3 cups of shredded cabbage. Next, dice a bunch of green onions. Shred 1 large carrot with a cheese grater. I'm using this side of the grater. You can also slice them in thin strips, but the cheese grater makes it easier. Now, add all the veggies to a bowl. Add salt to taste. I'm adding about half a teaspoon of salt. The recipe generally calls for 1 to 2 eggs. I like the sandwich to be a little bit more eggy, so I add 2 eggs. Mix them well with the other ingredients. You don't need to beat the eggs before mixing. To complete the sandwich, I'm using my homemade bread, but you can use a store-bought bread if you like. Turn on the stove to medium heat. In South Korea, they use lots of butter to make this sandwich, but I like to make it a little healthier. I add a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, add the ingredients and make it like a square to put on the toast. After cooking for 3 minutes, flip it over. I put 1 slice of ham in the pan for just about a minute. You can also make the sandwich vegetarian without adding ham. After about a minute, flip it over. Take it off and place the bread in the pan to toast it. Add more butter to the pan. After about a minute, flip it over. The sandwich is ready. It should be served hot right off the stove to get the best flavor. In Korea, they add white sugar on the top of the sandwich, but I'm adding just a little honey, around 1 teaspoon, but it's up to your taste. Place the ham, good old American cheese, then add generously tomato ketchup. Now you can enjoy this Korean toast sandwich at home. It's both nutritious and quite tasty. I hope you'll enjoy it. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell your family and friends about my channel. And if you want to provide any recommendations for future episodes, feel free to leave a comment down below. Bon appetit!